We finally got him over the line last week. £38,000 job. Trade Mastermind works. Journey over the last 14 years sometimes has been a real struggle. Average profit, to be honest, wasn't great. The margins just weren't there, but now, since joining, it's been very, very good. After the day being here, we're really buzzing. Trade Mastermind is gold. Companies that are operating and are not operating at a very good profit margin, they need to come here. Going forward, yeah, it's going to make a big difference. Being able to quote correctly, how to price correctly, make sure that the margins are nice and tight. We're really enjoying the course. It's very informative. Like I said, I was a bit skeptical to start with. Paul was doing the demonstration on the event day, and not even lunchtime, I said to Dean, I'm sold. The first 4 hours, I was sold on the whole philosophy of learning how to scale the business properly. Trade Mastermind, thank you.